When I really think about falling in love, I don't really think that's really a good word. Love is an action. Love is something you do. Love is something you show by example. You could love somebody that you don't even know. It's a different kind of love. It's pure love. Pure love is when you can do something from the heart without expecting anything in return. It's just who you are. You could be a loving person, a caring person, but a lot of times you pour yourself into the wrong people and then you end up dry. You end up where you regret loving certain people. You regret pouring yourself out and not getting nothing in return. But really what it is it's spending too much time on the wrong person and then discovering after a long period of time that there was nothing reinvested back into the relationship they had with you. So you were emptying out your cup and they were taking whatever you had to give, but they were never giving back. I spoke about past selves. And I've also talked about future selves. And once you're in a relationship with someone and they're choosing to live in their past, they blame you for things that you didn't do or didn't say. It's opening and creating wounds that never existed, testing you to see how you're going to act or respond because they're insecure themselves. Insecurity is like a virus that when it's present, if it's not addressed by that individual, it leads to a lot of pain over a period of time and peace of mind goes out the window. You're not able to comfortably feel at peace when you're with somebody that wants chaos and they give confusion, constantly find something wrong, always belittling you or pointing the finger at you. Those types of people want to be in control because once the person has your emotions in their hands and you do as they say. Now, if you don't respond in a way to where you walk away from them, not only have they lost respect for you, but now they know that they can get away with things. So every time they test you and you let it slide, now it's like, okay, I can get away with that. I could do it. It's like people that have cheated and then all of a sudden they said, I won't do it again. Months pass by, you forgive them, then you find out unknowingly that they did it again. And they try to say, well, I'm sorry, I didn't know. If they truly had self-control and they did care and it hurt them enough, they're not going to do it again. In order for someone to not do something, they have to go through something traumatic in their life that the experience was painful. If what they did was not painful enough of embarrassment, of shame, and they do it again, it says a lot about their character. And it also says a lot about how they respect you and how they see you as an individual. If they can get away with things and you'll just give them a pass. I know I've done that and I'm glad that I did because it's like a chisel. It's like every single time that I've been in a relationship, I would go into it blindly like so many people. But through every experience that you go through, you may not end up in a relationship to where it's always the same thing. There's something new. But when you start losing who you are as a person, from who you were to what you become makes a difference. If you get into a relationship with somebody and you start changing so much to the point to where you don't even recognize yourself, that's a red flag. Why am I giving myself away to this person when they're not treating me with respect, when they're not showing me that I truly matter, when they don't have the best intentions for me like I do for them? And a lot of times it's because those people find compromise to be something to take advantage of.